Imagine walking through a pitch-black forest, tripping over roots, while an owl silently swoops past you, snatching a mouse you didn't even know was there. How is that possible? Why can some animals navigate the dark like it's nothing, while humans are left helpless, straining our eyes just to see our own hands? The secret lies in millions of years of evolution, specialized eyes, biological mirrors, and even heat-sensing superpowers that put our night vision to shame. For humans, seeing in the dark is a struggle because our eyes simply weren't built for it. We rely on two types of light-detecting cells in our retinas: rods and cones. Cones handle color and detail in bright light, while rods take over in low light. But our rods have limits. They need a decent amount of light to work, which is why we can't see much in a dim room. For many animals, though, darkness isn't a problem. They've evolved incredible adaptations that make our night vision look pathetic in comparison. Take cats, for example. If you've ever shined a flashlight into a cat's eyes at night, you've seen that eerie glow like two tiny headlights staring back at you. That glow comes from a layer of cells called the tapetum lucidum, a mirror-like structure behind their retinas. When light enters a cat's eye, it passes over the rods and cones. But any light that isn't absorbed gets bounced back by this mirror for a second chance. This effectively doubles the amount of light their eyes can use, allowing them to see in conditions 6 times dimmer than what humans need. That's why your cat can effortlessly navigate a dark house while you're still squinting at shadows. But cats aren't the only nighttime specialists. Owls are legendary for their night vision, and for good reason. Their eyes are enormous, so big that they take up most of the space in their skulls. If human eyes were proportionally as large as an owl's, they'd be the size of tennis balls. More eye surface means more rod cells, making their vision incredibly sensitive to even the faintest light. Some species, like the barn owl, can spot a mouse scurrying in near total darkness from over 100 feet away. And since their eyes are fixed in place, they've evolved the ability to rotate their heads up to 270 degrees, giving them an almost supernatural ability to track prey without moving their bodies. Then there are creatures that take night vision to even wilder extremes. The tarsier, a tiny primate with enormous, bulging eyes, has each eyeball as large as its brain. These massive eyes collect every possible photon of light, allowing them to hunt insects in complete darkness. Even more bizarre are deep-sea creatures like the barrel-eye fish, which has tubular eyes inside a transparent head. Living where sunlight never reaches, these fish look upward to detect the faint silhouettes of prey against the dim glow from above. But some animals don't even need visible light to see in the dark. Pit vipers and other heat-sensing snakes have specialized organs called pit organs that detect infrared radiation, a heat given off by warm-blooded prey. These pits are so sensitive that they can pinpoint a mouse's body heat in total darkness, creating a thermal image in the snake's brain. It's like having a built-in night vision scope, allowing them to strike with terrifying accuracy even when their eyes see nothing. Even insects have their own tricks for seeing in the dark. Moths and other nocturnal bugs have compound eyes made of thousands of tiny lenses, each funneling light to their photoreceptors. Some can even detect ultraviolet light, which helps them navigate using the faint glow of stars or flowers reflecting moonlight. And then there's the humble cockroach. While we might hate them, their ability to detect the slightest changes in light and shadow helps them vanish into darkness in the blink of an eye. So why didn't humans develop these kinds of night vision superpowers? Because we never needed them. Our ancestors were daytime hunters and gatherers, relying on sharp color vision and depth perception to spot ripe fruit, track prey, and avoid predators. For us, seeing fine details in daylight was far more useful than seeing in the dark. But for animals that live, hunt, or hide at night, every tiny advantage meant the difference between eating and being eaten. Next time you're fumbling for a light switch in the dark, just remember somewhere out there, a cat is watching you with eyes that turn night into day. An owl is spotting prey in near total blackness, and a snake is seeing the world through body heat. Nature's solutions are always more incredible than anything we could invent. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing science stories. And let us know in the comments which animal's night vision do you think is the most impressive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.